Magbabalat tayo ng pinya, guys, ha? Diyan muna kayo at magbabalat tayo ng pinya. Ayan, yung pineapple natin, it's Fruity Point. Ayan, sana, not patronized, guys, ha? Not sponsored. Fruity Point extra gold extra sweet pineapple from Costa Rica. Ayan. Magano tayo? Babalat tayo ng pinya. 8 million people in the house. Mega love shout out po. Uy! Cuts for Nelson. Hello. Thank you so much. How are you? Kebom, ke prinsesa. Gracias, Jander. Cuts for Nelson. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How are you, Cuts for Nelson? It's been a while. Later on, I will visit your channel, okay? Cuts for Nelson, thank you so much. Ay, ano ba yung gumagalaw siya? Yung tripod ko kasi very soft. Cuts for Nelson, thank you so much. Thanks, Lori from Jander. Ayan. Mga kalahating oras lang tayo, guys, ha? Kasi magyaw-yaw lang at lang konti. Hindi ko alam kung ano kasing gagawin ko ngayon sa LS ko. Magbabalat sana ako ng kalabasa. Ayaw kasi ni Sis Katya. Good, thank you. No problem. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, Cuts for Nelson. Wait, I will set you as moderator. There you go. Inampam salamat. Happy Thanksgiving, Cuts for Nelson. Well, here in Spain, we don't have Thanksgiving. Sorry guys if you hear something because our neighbor, they are renovating their flat. So, it's already more than 2 weeks they are renovating their flat. And makita na ninyo na mabagal akong magbalat. Sa video lang yun mabilis. Wala pa siya damit, ating. Saplutan mo. Oh, nasaplutan ko na siya. Thanks. Yes, just USA Thanksgiving. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Aba, si mucho ba? Sí, que está muy bueno, Jander. Está muy bueno la piña. Compre 2. I bought two pineapples today, guys. It's still €1 per kilo. So, I think we have 2 pineapples this weekend. Masyado bang malakas yung music natin? Ayan. Like. Sabi ni Jander. Yes, the Cuts for Nelson. This pineapple, it's sweet. It came from Costa Rica. Because here in Spain, there's no pineapple plantation. And also I prefer fresh pineapple than those they are selling in can. This is ripe. The other one is bit green. So I prefer to take this one. It's yellow. Ayan, naglalaway na naman ako, Kuyang Tonyo. Andon isa ko kay Ate Ling, naka-BG din. Ah, ganun ba? Nagpuputol-putol salita mo, Ating. Bakit kaya? Nandito kasi yung dalawang anak ko. Kaya siguro naka-LS pa si Ating Ling na lumabas na ako doon. Ah, okay.